Alright, so here's what I have going on here today. I bought the Last Straw beer bottle filler, and I have a stout here, and it's about to be summer, and there's really no reason to have a stout on tap. So what I'm planning on doing is bottling up about 10 or 15 and then dumping the rest of the keg. But I've never used this before. The setup that I have is pretty basic. Basically you need two sources of CO2, one for the beer gun and one for the keg. And as you can see, I just have it teed right here and going down into the gas in. And I also have a hose that goes up to the counter purge of the beer gun. So I already have it all plumbed, ready to go. I have this full of ice and Star San. I've already sanitized my bottles, but I'm going to pump them through the this bottle cleaner as just a last precaution before I bottle them. So I have my caps here. They're soaking in sanitizer. I have just a basic capper. They say having cold bottles helps the CO2 not escape as rapidly. I have my pressure set at 10 psi, which obviously, since they're teed together, is both to the keg and to the beer gun, or the Last Straw. So I'm going to take my first bottle here. Get the Star San out. So what you're supposed to do, put this down in here. Purge it with CO2 until you hear the sound change. And then fill it just like a normal bottle filler. I'm going to let this one bubble over for a second because I can see a lot of foam. Alright, so that was my first bottled off the keg bottle that I've ever done. I'm just going to line them up there. That roughs them up pretty good, but it works great. A little easier than the hand clamp, so thank you, Kevin. Alright, back to what we have going on here. Basically the CO2 comes in here to the T, feeds the keg and the back of the beer gun right here, which you just push that little button and then push it down in the bottom of the bottle just like normal. So it just takes a second. You can hear the sound change. Okay, so I'm down to my last bottle that's in here. After this, I'm just going to be emptying the keg, so feel free to end the video. I know this isn't my normal welding stuff, but honestly it's a little bit more fun to film. So this has been the last straw, beer filler. And hopefully you enjoyed the video. So yeah, that's the key to a sediment-free beer. I don't know if you can see it in there. It's a stout, so hopefully not. But that's how you do it. I think it took me about 20 minutes to bottle 3, 6, 9, 12, 31, 15, 16 bottles. So, you know, looks good. I enjoy this product. I'll be definitely using it again. Thank y'all. Alright, so I was sitting here editing this video and I realized that I hadn't poured a beer out of it yet, out of one of the bottles. So I'm going to go ahead and pour this beer after I open it, hopefully one-handed. Shit. Alright, so I just poured beer all over the bed, so I gotta change the sheets now. But there's my delicious looking chocolate milk stout. And yeah, so it kept all its CO2. Seems like it was a good way to bottle it. Alright y'all, have a good rest of your day, whatever you're doing. Brew on, and cheers.